Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove Google account from Chrome browser, security guide step by step clearly. First, make sure you are using your own computer or you have permission to change Chrome settings. Open Google Chrome on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. Look at the top right corner and click your profile icon or the circle with your initial. In the menu that opens, click Manage Profiles. In the Profiles window, find the profile that contains the Google account you want to remove. Confirm you selected the correct profile to avoid deleting the wrong local browsing data. Click the three dots on the profile card you want to remove. Choose Delete from the options list. Read the warning carefully to understand that local Chrome data for that profile may be removed from this device. If you need bookmarks or passwords, sync them first or export them before you continue. Click Delete to confirm and remove the profile from Chrome on this device. Now reopen the profile picker and check that the unwanted profile is gone. If you only want to sign out but keep the profile, open that Chrome profile again. Click the profile icon at the top right and select Sync as On or Google Account Settings. In the Settings page, click Turn Off next to sync to sign out of that Google account in Chrome. When asked, choose whether to keep or clear browsing data on this device based on your privacy needs. To remove a saved account from the Chrome sign-in screen, go to Chrome//settings in the address bar. Scroll to You in Google and open it. Click Manage your Google account only if you want to review security, not to remove it from Chrome. Go back and click Sync in Google Services, then confirm sync is disabled if you are signing out. For extra security, open Privacy and Security from the left menu. Click Clear Browsing Data if this is a shared computer and you want to remove traces. Choose a time range like all time and select what you want to delete, then click Clear Data. Next, open Password Manager to check for saved passwords you may want to remove on a shared device. Remove any saved passwords you do not want stored locally on this computer. If the account was used on a public or shared device, open myaccount.google.com on any browser. Go to Security, then Your Devices, and sign out of devices you do not recognize. Also change your Google password and enable two-step verification if you think the account was exposed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.